And finally, the roof brackets have one hidden trick up their sleeve for attaching Unistrut Channel to the top of your shipping container. For this, we're going to need to create space at the top of the clamp. So in order to do so, let's remove the M12 by 20 set screws from the top. And we're going to switch one of them with the M12 by 55 that's usually on the bottom. That goes into there. Use this M12 thread here to pass an M10 set screw straight through into a spring nut in the inside of the Unistrut. Now we can take our length of Unistrut and hold it in place under the roof bracket, tightening up both the M12 set screws onto the top side rail. This clamps the bracket firm onto the Unistrut and the entire assembly to the top side rail of the shipping container. This isn't a standalone solution for attaching Unistrut to the container. It still relies on the Domino clamps securely fastening the larger structure into the corners of the shipping containers, but it will do a fantastic job of preventing this structure from flexing or moving about in the middle of the container, especially when you don't want it to because it's got delicate things like solar panels attached on top.